Happy holidays. I'm Dev here at Sneakky Klean, and today we're going to be cleaning these University Red Off-White Dunks. They're dirty on the midsole, needs to do some work on the undersole. Not in terrible shape. Let me show you guys the other side. But we're going to get them all freshened up and looking good for our customers so they can have them for their Christmas party. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of our laces. Now these dunks have two pairs of laces. We have the overlace here, just like a bright pink, more of an infrared. Then we have our regular laces, which hold the off-white zip tie in there. We're going to put our laces and our zip tie to the side so we can get to them later. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the undersole. Under the shoe, which is usually the most dirty part of the shoe. And for this, we're going to be using our hard brush. And we're going to get to work. The reason we put the shoe tree in the shoe, which I forgot to do at first, is that it allows us to put pressure on the shoe without damaging the shoe or causing the shoe to crease. So definitely get a shoe tree in there. It helps keep the shoe firm while you handle the shoe, so you can put in some effort while you clean it up. We're going to do a little bit of drying up so we can see where we are. It's looking pretty good. Get in the grooves here. Let's see where we stand, how much of that dirt got out. So far, we're looking pretty good. Always good to go and get the dirt out of the grooves. Just finished cleaning the left side of these University Red Off-Whites, and now we're going to take a look at the progress that we've made. This is the right side, the side we did not clean. As you can see, there's a lot of scars on the midsole of the shoe. The white is not as white anymore. It's a bit shaded, a bit faded out. And this is the left side of the shoe, which we've cleaned. Pearly white, looking good. I mean, just look at the difference here. Look at the difference.